So viewers, these are the gel batteries that we removed and upgraded them with lithium ion batteries. So they are 12 pieces, 200 Ah each. So I'm taking you now to where we're having the new battery bank. So like I had said, we have 5 Weco batteries, lithium ion batteries. Each is 5.3 kilowatt hour. So we're having 5 of them. So viewers, we are having the first battery as a master, and it is controlling the other 4. So this is a battery that is communicating to our master inverter, which is this one here. This is our master inverter that is communicating to the master battery, and the master battery is communicating to the rest of the batteries. The master inverter is communicating to the rest of the inverter. So we have slave 1 inverter and slave 2 inverter, then we have the master. So with the batteries, we are having master battery, slave 1, slave 2, slave 3, and slave 4. So this is a configuration that we've done. Remember, I had said that we have 24 solar panels from the roof. So 8 solar panels are going here, 8 are going here, 8 are going here, and through the use of the master, the algorithm is such that they cannot overcharge these batteries. So they work in tandem with each other to make sure that this battery bank is fully charged and it is also charged properly.